how Islam, wherever it went and whenever that was, the beauty that Islam radiated, the beauty that the Muslim community radiated, the appeal that the Muslim community always had throughout history, throughout time. And so when we talk about the beauty that Islam had and how Islam drew people in, it was through the beauty of Islam and the spirituality and the character and the akhlaq and the dealings of the Muslims. But centrally, at the core of that is this idea of empathy, cultivating an attitude of empathy. That will beautify our conduct, and when that begins to beautify our conduct, that will create that exemplary community that people will rush and flock to. Right now, people accept Islam in spite of us. It is solely the truth of Islam and the miracle of the Quran that people accept Islam. Then people will accept Islam actually because of us and due to us. Allah will make us the means and the sabab, but we have to qualify ourselves for that. Just a really interesting thought. Umar bin Abdul Aziz, rahimahullah ta'ala, a great scholar from the history of Islam, one of the great leaders of Muslims in the Ummah, he actually found out, somebody informed that one of his sons had purchased a ring worth 1,000 dirhams, 1,000 silver coins, like $1,000. He purchased a ring that cost $1,000. He called his son and he said, I've heard that you bought a $1,000 ring. He said, yes. He said, what I want you to do, I want you to sell it. Take that money and go feed 1,000 people. And then just take $1, buy a $1 ring and inscribe on that ring, Rahimallahu imra'an arafa qadra nafsihi. May God have mercy on the man who recognizes and understands his limitation and his capacity. Our limitation in terms of who we are in our reality and our capacity to be able to care for others and to do good for others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to follow in the footsteps of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his noble character. Wa jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.